What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Best Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax, and today we are coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg wildlife crossing update. Back over here at the world's largest wildlife crossing in progress, and it is definitely feeling like fall. A lot of the shrubbery has taken incredibly after all the rainfall that we had. We're entering a new phase where the construction is starting to clear out a lot of the space around on Agora Hills Road over there, and they're going hard on it Monday through Friday. We're here on the weekend seeing how they're cleaning up. While it might be slow going, we can definitely notice some progress out and around where the excavation's happening and where a lot of the electrical and plumbing is going in on that west side of the road. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the co-pilot. Look at you go, bud. You're really moving up in the world, aren't you? Oh, let's get you a good one. There you go. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video, super chat, super thanks. All that goes a long ways in keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that excellent November content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there.